welcome back to the channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the charging speed test in the iQOO Z3 device after using more than 100 days of usage. Yes friends, it's been 100 days of using the iQOO Z3 device, and let's see how is the charging speed in the iQOO Z3. Did it decrease or did it got increased? That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. And during this 100 days of usage, we did receive a couple of updates in the iQOO Z3 as well. And first thing you should know is that the phone has 4400 mAh of battery capacity, and which has got the 50 watts charger. But by default, we do get the 66 watts charger, but phone can only take 50 watts. And according to the official iQOO website, you can clearly see, so 50% can charge in 19 minutes and 100% in just 50 minutes. That is what the estimations are from the official iQOO website. Only I'm trying to take the statistics, but let's see in our actual results what is happening with this iQOO Z3. How much time it actually takes to charge 50% and how much time it takes to charge full percentage. That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. And right now the phone is completely in switch off mode. Right now, as you can see, friends, I did connect the charger as well, starting from 0%. Exactly. You can clearly see here, starting from completely 0%, I'm trying to charge the iQOO Z3. Let's see how much time it actually takes to charge 50% and 100% when the phone is in switch off mode only. So this should be kind of close to what the company is claiming the results. So that's what I'm going to exactly check, and let's check what is the temperatures. So temperature of the phone at this moment 31 degrees and 30 degrees on the backside, no problem. And my room temperature is only 29.6. As you can see, my room temperature. So there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. It's absolutely same temperature every time. So I'm going to be back after some time, around 15 minutes, just to check what is happening with the battery percentage and temperatures. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 15 minutes of continuously charging, and in the 15 minutes, iQOO Z3 charged to 41%. Starting from the 0%, it increased to 41%, not bad. And let's see how is the temperatures maintaining in the phone. So in the beginning it was kind of close to 31 degrees, but right now it's 33.4 degrees on the front side. On the back side 34.4 degrees. So overall the 34 is the highest so far recorded temperatures in the iQOO Z3. So let me try to write down the readings. 34. So 34 degrees is the highest and 41 is the battery percentage got reached. Let's see whether we can actually charge the 50% capacity in the 19 minutes, that kind of time frame or not. That's what I'm going to exactly check. So I'm going to be back after some time. The phone got charged to exactly 50%, friends, and right now it is 52% as well. So around 18 minutes of time, the overall time took in the iQOO Z3 to charge the 50%. Not bad. So 18 minutes of time. It's kind of less than what the company is claiming exactly. That's kind of really good to see. So in some phones we will be seeing the 1 minute extra, 2 minutes more what the company is claiming, but in this case we're exactly getting less than the time as well. So I'm going to be back after maybe close to 30 minutes of time, then we can check what is the battery percentage in this phone. So right now it's been exactly 30 minutes of continuous charging, and the iQOO Z3 charger to 81%. As you can see, it's not bad. 81%, that's a really good score for just 30 minutes of charging using the 50 watts charger. So 81%, let me write down the readings. So 81% for 30 minutes only, not bad. And the temperature is of close to 34 degrees and backside is of 33 and 34. So overall 34 degrees we are trying to see the temperatures at this range. 34 degrees. So again, I'll be back after maybe close to 45 minutes. Then you can actually discuss more information. Right now, as you can see, friends, exactly around 45 minutes of time, the iQOO Z3 charger to 99%. So the last 1% will take certain amount of time, a little bit, but in 45 minutes of time, the phone charged to 99% of the battery capacity, and the battery temperature right now it's completely normal. It's only 31 degrees right now. There's no heat, nothing at all. So 31 degrees is the highest temperatures right now detected in the iQOO Z3 after 45 minutes of charging. 31 degrees, 31 Celsius. And let's see how much more time the phone going to take to 100% charge. And right now still showing 99%, but I think overall it was exactly as accurate what the company is claiming in terms of the charging speed. So this complete test I'm trying to do when the phone is in switch off mode. So in the switch on mode, the charging speed may be slightly different. Maybe 1 to 2 minutes you can give extra time for those. Now let's see how much more time the phone going to take to charge this remaining percentage. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. Still showing 99% only at this moment, as you can clearly see, friends. 99%. And exactly around 48 minutes of time, the iQOO Z3 charged completely to 100%. 48 minutes of time the iQOO Z3 took to charge, not bad. As you can see, this is the charging time. So 48 minutes of time the iQOO Z3 took to charge completely from 0 to 100% of the time. So this is exactly as accurate as what the company is claiming in terms of the charging speed. Not bad. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries on the iQOO Z3, let me know in the comment section below. And this is the charging test which I'm doing after the September security patch update as well. Yes. So just a couple of days back I did update to the security patch update of the September. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video and let's straight for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.